Alright, so right now, me and Colin over there are doing the Walmart fishing challenge. We're only going to be using rods from Walmart, hooks from Walmart, and baits from Walmart. Everything cheap. We're at a super small pond right now, and we're going to see if we can't hook into a few fish.
I feel like I'm going to hook up on shit a lot, like moss and shit. That was my lid. That's my deal. I can't.
What are they?
Bass and red bug crab. And I got these. People thought plus double in
Heck yeah, dude. Yeah, coming out of the water, like right there. See if I can't get it. Oh, that's great. That's cool.
Oh yeah, you know what happened?
Oh, cool, and it just does it again. That's freaking great. Not seeing anything. This water's relatively clear, so I'm just gonna see if I can't sight fish. Right now I'm just working this wacky rig. Had to switch up from a weightless Senko. Wasn't getting any luck with that. Oh, got one. It's small. Freaking crappie. Bluegill, whatever. See, little guy. Alright, we're going to another pond because this pond is garbage. Screw the Walmart fishing challenge. I'm just gonna go fish and see if we can't catch anything. Get some different rods. Use a spinnerbait rod and wacky rig rod. Keep it simple. Alright, we're pulling up in the pond right now. Thank God there's no one here. I plan on just throwing a white and blue spinnerbait, keep it looking natural, in a wacky rig, Bass Pro Shop Sticko. Just keep it simple. So if you keep these on, you're not going to catch fish. How do you take this off?
I don't know.
Doesn't matter if you caught a fish because you're not going to be able to set the hook anyways.
Yeah.
Get some scissors and cut it off or something.
Pull it up.
He was fishing with a spinnerbait that he just bought and it still had the rubber cover over the hook.
I forgot to take it off.
Are you kidding me, dude?
He pulled it in. He's like, oh, that's why. Alright, I can't get this off. Good luck, bud.
I'll call you right back, Tatum. Okay, bye, Bean. Hey, look, I caught that.
Got one. Yeah, it's decent.
Huh?
It's decent.
I usually buy like Senko's right here. You want me to get it out of his lip?
No, I got it.
Yeah. Here, if you need them.
Alright.
It's a nice one. Can I take a picture of it?
Yeah, hold on.
For real?
Yeah, I don't care.
I'm gonna put it on my story.
There we go.
Huh?
Nice fish. I said, there we go. Alright guys, so that is where I'm going to be ending the video today. Only got one fish. That fish was actually decent for that pond. There's usually not a lot of fish out there, and it's not a good pond to fish. It's too overpressured, and a lot of people will take the fish out of there. But I will be redoing the Wal-Mart fishing rod challenge and baits and stuff like that. Just didn't have a good time yesterday. Today's Thanksgiving, so I don't know when this is going to be uploaded, but if I do get it uploaded on Thanksgiving, happy Thanksgiving. Thank you for watching. Make sure to rate, comment, and subscribe.